as if I'm already chose. Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tight every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tight every time that I post. Damn, it's not bad, they be on my ass. I could hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga mention ate it from the back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna be doing VETKOEK's MAWGINYA. So here are my ingredients that we're going to use today, and we're gonna start off with flour, yeast, a bit of brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you want, a little bit of salt, lukewarm water, just to show you that it's water, and then some oil and your own wooden spoon. So let's get into it. So you get 3 cups of flour, a packet of yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar, depending on you. Yeah, there's a little bit more. Half a spoon of salt, just to put the MAWGINYA. Oh my word. And then you mix all your dry ingredients, just to make sure everything blends in there and no part is mixed out. Then now you make a little bit of hole, and then you put your lukewarm water inside. Yeah, a little bit as you go. Just keep on pouring, mix and pour until you get there. So this is supposed to be blend already with the water in the jar, but it's okay. So put oil in there, and now you just mix your dry and wet ingredients together until it has a certain consistency. And then this is how it looks so far. Then now I'm gonna sprinkle some flour on the area where the dough is gonna be kneaded, and we're gonna pour the dough on top of it until kneaded. Yeah, just like that. So you knead the dough just like that, and you make sure that it is not too sticky but a little bit soft, like a little bit soft, so that it doesn't become that hard when you put it in the oil. So now you pour the oil in the bowl and just spread it all over so that the dough does not stick all over. Then now it's spread over in the bowl. You're gonna put the dough inside, and yeah, just clean where you were at the area, just for fun. And then now the dough is in the bowl, and we're just gonna cover it and leave it for 50 minutes. Then after you have covered and your yeast has risen, we're now gonna take off the cover, and then yeah, look at that. So we're just gonna remove it from the bowl now, and yeah, get it ready to be placed into small balls, and then put it in the oil. Heat up the oil a little bit, nyana, and then put the balls inside. You can take the dough and roll up the balls, or you can just make it the old kasi style, and then yeah, pour inside. So this is how the MAWGINYAs look so far. Oh, look how pretty that looks. This is definitely nice. And this is the finished product. Here is your MAWGINYA VETKOEK puff puffs. I hope you like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and share this video, guys. And yeah, oh, look at the fillings, how soft it is. I just love this. This is beautiful. Very nice. Don't forget to tune in for more recipes. I've also done dumpling, and I will show you on how to make others. Love you all. Bye.